All right, with the exception of cleaning up all those, straighten them out, I've now got every single 2x4, extras actually, my seals, every single 2x6, floor joist and ceiling joist, and that's the floor. Way more boards there than I need for the floor, but I got to square them up. Those are 20. When it gets to where it's a true, full thing, it's 22 inches wide. And there's probably 5 of them in there that are 22 inches wide. So, I mean, those there won't need any trimming. If any, it'll be very small. Look at that face looking thing down there. I just now noticed that, kind of weird looking. Priscilla gonna see that. She going, I want that board. What you gonna do with it? Oh, that's kind of weird looking at. I didn't notice it till now. I guarantee you she's gonna see that thing. I have my best floorboard too. She gonna want that thing. Might not be my best one. But anyway, I got all that. Everything's there. So now all I have to do is outside. I want to do the outside and inside boards, the wall boards, outside and inside. This is 26 inches here. It's egg-shaped, so you're going to have to say 25. It's egg-shaped there. So say 25 on the thin part of the egg. It's 22 foot long. It is going to be something to cut. You could see how many limbs is through there. And if you see that many on this side, there's really just no reason to think there's not as many or almost as many on the other side. It's going to be fun cutting this thing, but it should have some real pretty boards, the knots and whatever, My office is built with, if a board didn't have a knot in it, I didn't keep it. It only boards with knot. The whole 4 walls, and it looks pretty. Now they were 6-inch boards. But 6-inch boards are a whole lot easier to handle when you plane them, because I did plane those down. I'm not going to plane this down. I really don't plane anything to speak of, except for my office. But anyway, this is probably going to take 2 blades in itself. I'll try to square up tonight, this evening, with this one. I don't know that I'm going to be able to do it. But I've got now, let's see here, 2, 4. I've got 5 blades in this, counting the one that's on the mill. And the blades will run you about, let's say $25. You might be able to get them cheaper, but say $25. So I got $125 into this thing so far, other than gas. And I'll probably, I just the way this is, just the way it is, I bet you it's going to take 2 blades. I might be wrong. I might be able to cut the whole thing once I square it up with 1 blade, but those knots are kind of dull stuff quick, and when it dulls it, it don't take long. When it dulls it, it just don't cut right, and I want it to cut right. I don't care if it's an outside wall board or not. Let me get to cranking here.